on these problems. So first off, let's write them the way that it's comfortable instead of writing it like that. You know what I'm saying? So write the 400. That one has to be on top, honey, because it's a bigger number. Do you know what I'm saying? So then 499 minus 110. There you go. So go ahead and write out this number in your chip model. That's the first step.
100.
Yep. Yep, just 4.
And 9.
Yep, and then another 9. Where do we start?
The ones.
We start in the ones. We have a 9, and we need to take away 0. So what do?
We take away nothing.
Take away nothing. So what would it be?
9.
9. And you can write your 9 there. Okay. Now what do?
We take away 1.
Yep. Take away 1. There you go. So then what are you left with?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yep. Yep. 9 take away 1 is
8.
All right. And then 4 take away what?
1
is
3.
3. Yep. So there you go. There's your answer.
389.
389. All right, go ahead and start working on this one. Write it out. Yep. 6. Oh, it's only 6, babe. Yeah, it's only 6.
Take away 4.
Then take away 4. Yep, take away 4. Then what are you left with?
Oh, I forgot to make mine.
You're taking away, 4. Yep. Go ahead and you can write it over here. 638. Yep, write it on the vertical form. Okay, now what are we doing?
Now we do it with tens, but we don't have enough.
We don't have enough. What do we do?
The 100.
Unbundle 100. Yeah. And what would that look like? Okay. So how does that look on our, how do we show what we did in our chip model in our vertical form? How do we show that over here? We did it over here. We like unbundled 100. How do we show that work over here? Do you remember?
So the 100.
Yeah, there you go. You cross out the 6, change it to a
5.
Yep, change it to a 5. Yep. And then what else? What does this 3 become?
A 13.
A 13. So now you can take a, well, you don't have to cross out the 3. You can just add like a 1. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because you still have 3. There you go. So now 13 take away 8, which you can do over here in your chip model. So take away 8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yep. 5. Okay. Now what do we do?
Take away 200.
What are you left with?
3. 300.
There you go.
354.
Good job. All right, let's turn to the next page. All right. Ooh, let's. You want to do it without the chip model? You're pretty good with your math fix. Let's try it. So write it out the nice way. There's a beautiful Z. Good job lining it all up. All right, now what's our first step?
9 take away 7, 2.
We can't go backwards, can we? We have to do 7 minus 9, which we can't do, can we?
No.
So what do we need to do? Who would we borrow from?
The 8.
From the tens.
10.
From the tens, right? Think about the chip model. If we didn't have enough ones, where would we borrow it from? Where would we unbundle from?
10.
From the tens. So unbundle from your 10. How do we show that on our vertical? Don't erase anything. How do we unbundle it? It's just like the chip model. We just
Cross it off.
cross it off and change it to a what?
10.
Not a 10. You're gonna add a 10 to this, so it'll be 17.
7.
Right, but then what would that change the 7 to? Imagine 7 chips in your chip model, and we took one away. How many would there be?
6.
6, yeah. So change that to a 6. Change that to a what, did you say? If we added a 10.
17.
Yep. Now you can take away 9. Now what is it?
8.
Yep, there you go. Now what do you do?
9.
What is this?
6 take away 9.
Can we do it?
Yeah.
We can? Can 6 take away a 9? So what do we need to do again?
Do it like this.
We need to do what? We need
Cross it off.
we need to unbundle from the
100.
hundreds. Yep. So borrow from the hundreds. Change it to a what?
A 7.
And then change this to a. You're gonna imagine we took from the hundreds and we moved it over to the tens. How many little dots would you put?
Adding to it.
Hold on, don't erase. It'd be 16. Yeah, because we'd just be adding 10, right? Does that make sense, Chris? Okay.
Take away
So now you can do 16, take away 9.
7.
There you go. Now 7 take away
3.
is what?
4.
Here you go. And look, you did your first one without any
100.
chip model. Good job. All right, let's write out the next one.
So then
Just add your 7 in front of it. It's okay. You didn't need to erase it. Okay. All right. Try to get some of those erasers. All right. First step.
6 can take away 1.
You can't take away 6 from 1, so what do you need to do? Who are you unbundling?
To unbundle the
Yep,
4.
from the 10, yeah. From the 10s, yep. It changes that to a, yeah. Then what happens?
It would be 16.
It would be a what?
11.
We have a 1 dot in our chart, and we add 10. There you go. Now we can take away 6. So what's it going to be now?
6 take away 11.
No, 11 take away.
6.
Which would be?
5.
Yep. Now what do we do?
We can take away. No, we can't.
We
So
can't.
we're going to unbundle the 7
Uh-huh.
into a 6.
There you go, Chris.
Then it's going to be 13.
Mm-hmm. Look at you, you're getting it. Okay, now what do you do?
Take away 13. Take 13. Take away 4.
Which is?
9.
Yep.
And it's 2.
Mm-hmm.
295.
Good job.